Hi everyone. Let's take a look at the following example. Find the antiderivative of 1 plus 5x divided by x squared plus x minus 2 with respect to x. Step number 1. What you want to think about is this concept called a partial fraction. So you want to rewrite 1 plus 5x divided by x squared plus x minus 2 in factor form. So if you go through simple factoring, this is going to be x minus 1 times x plus 2. And again, you're taking the antiderivative with respect to x. And before we break this apart, what you want to do is go back and say, how can I rewrite this as two fractions? And it could be a sum, it could be a difference. It depends on the values of a and b. So what I mean is I take 1 plus 5x divided by x minus 1, and you multiply this by x plus 2. This equals to a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x plus 2. And again, if you think about the numerator 1 plus 5x, this equals 2. And again, if you look at the right-hand side, you can combine this with a common denominator. This will give you a times x plus 2 plus bx minus 1, of course, x minus 1 in brackets. And you want to group them. And by grouping, what I mean is you want to equate all the numbers in front of x together and all the constants together accordingly. So if we really think about this, you can factor this x at the back, and there's the a plus b. So again, just to make sure you see what I'm doing, this is ax, this is bx, which I'm factoring as the second part. Now, likewise, if you look at the first part, I'm also looking at 2a minus b. And of course, I can add them. And again, I want to make sure no one's left behind. This is 2a, this is minus b. And again, once you can see it in this factor form, the rest is very systematic because on the left-hand side, there's the 1, there's the 5 times x. And all you're essentially doing is solving for a and b. So there are two equations with two unknowns. And again, I'm going to circle them for you. There's the 2a minus b, which equals to 1, which I'm going to put here in a moment. And likewise, if I think about 5x and a plus bx, which I'll put right here. And of course, this is what you're going to do after. So again, 1 equals to 2a minus b, and 5 equals to a plus b. So this goes back to what we used to call grade 10 academic math, two equation, two unknowns. Now, I trust that you can solve this, and you can use, the method of elimination, substitution, whatever you decide. And when you work it out, a equals to 2, b equals to 3. And of course, you can press pause, you can go through mechanical steps. When you press play again, you can confirm these are the answers. This means when I go back and I rewrite this, this is going to be, again, the antiderivative of 2 divided by x minus 1 plus 3 divided by x plus 2. And again, don't forget you're integrating this with respect to x. Again, the difficult part is now over. When you find the antiderivative of something divided by x plus or minus something else, this basically is going to be 2 times ln of the absolute value of x minus 1 plus 3 times ln of the absolute value of x plus 2. Don't forget you're adding a constant c to represent infinite many cases. I hope this makes sense.